too many no-shows costing your business time and revenue? Automated reminders reduce no-shows and increase customer confirmations. Let's set up appointment reminders in ServiceTitan, quick and simple. Open ServiceTitan settings, then navigate to notifications and select appointment reminders. Choose reminder timing, initial confirmation, 24-hour reminder, and 1-hour alert. Enable SMS, voice, or both and toggle delivery and opt-in preferences. Edit message templates. Use clear language, appointment details, and a CTA to confirm. Set triggers and rules by job type, region, and appointment status to target the right customers. Preview the message, send a test to your phone, and confirm delivery. Monitor delivery rates and no-show metrics in reporting to refine timing and templates. Best practices: 2 reminders, short messages, and a clear confirm link. Start today. Set reminders in ServiceTitan and watch no-shows drop. Implement now.